What you West Virginia pussies say? I'm on here till any of you motherfuckers. I'm ready to get down with any of you fucking 304 motherfuckers. They call me Red. I work Sawmill. Fucking stack lumber. Hot damn run the edger. Fucking pull off the game. Flip slabs. Done it all. I'm ready to see if they motherfucking West Virginia can hang this Sawmill motherfucker. You ready? I like to fucking fish. I like to hunt. Mainly do push-ups. Get big off just push-ups, baby. Any of y'all motherfucking West Virginia pussies on here, I'm calling every fucking one of you out. Just one of you fucking accept it, please.
Come on! Get some! Bye-bye!